In this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over a set of like snow hiking slash kind of like warm boots. I want y'all to check these things out. This is by the company, how do you say this? This is Hanani. Hanani is how you would say that. And you know what? You see all the ice down here. It is definitely getting cold down here right now. We don't get a lot of snow, but I like my feet and ankles to be warm. And I just want to go over these. I got these in, and I want to show you what these are. Number one, looking over the tread here, it's a non-slip pattern. It's kind of like a, you know, squishy top rubber. It's a soft rubber right there. They have sport on the side. These things weigh nothing. The thing is, they are they are super light. These are some of the lightest boots ever. This is a waterproof top right here. The zippers do feel like a little cheaper, but you know what? I think they work just fine. I've been using these off and on. The insoles is like, you can see there's like fuzzy insole there and fuzzy liner there. I really like that. You have a pull tab for getting them on and off right there. They run true to size. So if you, I got a 43 is what I normally wear. I think these are a 43. If you feel like that's a little tight on you, or you're going to be wearing thicker socks, go one size up. Let me just put them on and kind of kick around. Yes, everybody, I wear shorts year round, no matter what the temperature is, by the way. And just sliding them on, you want to like loosen the zipper up. I can slide them on without pulling the zipper off, but it's a little tight. I do like undoing one zipper on the side, putting my foot in and zipping them up. And then you see how they look right there. Very comfortable. They're not tight at all. You can put them on and off super easy. And one thing I'd found, the heel's a little large, so the heel lifts up and it kind of pushes you forward, but it's not that big a deal to me. I think for what you're using these for, you'll be totally fine. I use them when I'm running outside. See, I'm wearing a size 9 and my toe is exactly right there. So these things fit pretty true to size. I really like these boots. I'll be using these all winter. I like being able to slide them on, go to the store, come off, get home, slide them off. I don't think you can beat these things. For the price, I highly recommend a set of these. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Hanani snow boots. See y'all in the next video.